Doctors remind that after 70 years old, one should take fewer walks. Do more of these two things. Many elderly people don't pay much attention. Grandpa's son is 72 years old this year. His health is still relatively good. Since he was young, he has developed good lifestyle habits and has maintained them until now. Every morning, he goes for a walk in the nearby park and chats with old friends. This is not only one of his secrets to maintaining good health over the years, but also his way of socializing and relaxing. However, in recent days, Grandpa's son has started to notice some discomfort in his knees during walks, a slight pain that puzzles him. After all, walking has been his consistent habit for many years. Why is there a problem now? One morning, Grandpa's son felt knee pain again. He decided to stop walking and went home to rest. Back home, he sat on the sofa, rubbing his knees, murmuring to himself, "Am I really getting old? My body isn't as good as before." When Grandpa's son heard about this, he promptly took him to the hospital for a checkup. After the doctor carefully understood Grandpa's son's situation, he told him that with age, joint cartilage wears down gradually. Prolonged walking may strain the knees, so excessive walking is not recommended. Grandpa's son felt conflicted. "I'm already used to walking every day. What should I do?" The doctor smiled and comforted him. "You don't need to stop walking completely, just do it in moderation. Also, two other things are very important for your health after 70. Firstly, why does the body become prone to problems after 70? After 70 years old, many people suddenly find their health deteriorating, and some elderly people even pass away unexpectedly. Why does this happen? Biological factors such as genetics, immune system decline, and chronic diseases are the main reasons for health problems in the elderly. As age increases, the body's immune system gradually becomes weaker, reducing resistance and making elderly people more susceptible to various diseases. Secondly, unhealthy lifestyles such as poor sleep, exercise, and dietary habits accelerate physical decline. A single form of exercise, like long-term walking, may have negative effects on joints. Thirdly, psychological factors such as loneliness and depression can seriously affect the physical and mental health of the elderly. Lack of positive social and psychological support can lead to emotional decline, which in turn affects physical health. Fourthly, economic and medical factors such as economic difficulties and drug misuse can also negatively impact the health of the elderly. Economic reasons may cause elderly people to neglect health issues, or drug side effects may worsen their physical condition. Secondly, the benefits of walking for the elderly. The benefits of walking are particularly significant, especially in enhancing cardiovascular function. During walking, the heart rate gradually increases, strengthening the heart's pumping ability. Through walking, elderly people can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart disease and hypertension. As muscle strength and endurance decline with age, walking is an effective form of exercise. Walking not only strengthens leg and buttock muscles but also stimulates bone growth, increases bone density, and prevents osteoporosis. When elderly people walk, physical activity stimulates gastrointestinal motility, helping food move smoothly through the intestines, thus reducing digestive problems. In addition, walking can promote metabolism, enhance immunity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol. Good walking habits can also help elderly people regulate their body rhythms, promote deep sleep, which is crucial for their health because it helps restore energy, enhance memory, and improve emotional stability. Thirdly, walk less and do more of these two things after 70 years old. Although walking is a good exercise, it should be arranged reasonably according to personal physical and health conditions. If the physical condition allows, walking is still recommended. However, besides walking, elderly people over 70 can do more of these two things. Firstly, balanced diet. With age, elderly people's physical functions and metabolic rates change, so their nutritional needs also differ. To maintain health, elderly people need to pay special attention to the balance of their diet, ensuring an adequate intake of nutrients. Protein is an indispensable nutrient in the diet of elderly people, essential for maintaining muscle mass, repairing body tissues, and normal immune function. It is recommended that elderly people consume more foods rich in high-quality protein, such as fish, poultry, eggs, dairy products, and soy products. Vitamins and minerals are also essential nutrients in the diet of elderly people. Elderly people should eat more fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to obtain sufficient vitamins and minerals. At the same time, they should also reduce the intake of salt, sugar, and saturated fats to prevent chronic diseases. Secondly, increase mental activities. With age, elderly people's cognitive abilities may gradually decline. However, through appropriate mental activities, elderly people can keep their minds active, delay cognitive decline, and even enhance cognitive abilities. Hobbies such as reading, writing, painting, music, and dancing are excellent ways to engage in mental activities. These activities not only stimulate brain cortex activity, improve thinking ability and memory, but also bring pleasure, relieve stress, and anxiety. Participating in social activities and volunteer work is also very beneficial for mental activities. By communicating, interacting, and cooperating with others, elderly people can exercise their social skills, enhance self-worth, satisfaction, reduce loneliness, and depression. Fourthly, after 70 years old, remember 3 taboos for walking. With the gradual decline of physical function after 70 years old, special attention is needed when walking. Firstly, avoid excessive walking. Many elderly people believe that walking 10,000 steps a day is a sign of health, but in fact, everyone's physical condition and stamina are different. Excessive walking may impose too much burden on joints and bones, increasing the risk of arthritis and osteoporosis. It is recommended that elderly people walk 7,000 to 8,000 steps a day. Secondly, avoid incorrect walking posture. Elderly people should maintain the correct posture when walking, keep their chest up, head up, swing their arms, avoid walking with hands behind their backs or taking large steps, to reduce joint injuries and increase physical coordination. Thirdly, avoid sudden stops. If you suddenly stop walking, it may cause dizziness and overheating. It is recommended to start and end walking slowly, gradually accelerating and decelerating to avoid sudden stops and rainfall. Everyone's physical condition and health status are different. Elderly people need to develop a lifestyle suitable for themselves and listen to doctors' advice. Through proper diet and appropriate mental activities, elderly people can walk further on the road of old age and enjoy a healthier and happier life. Alright, we'll end our sharing here today. Thank you for watching. I hope today's sharing has resonated with you. For those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click subscribe so we can accompany you every day. Let's grow together, be happy together, and grow old together slowly. See you next time.